All Parties Hurriyat Conference has deplored that Narendra Modi-led Indian government is resorting to nefarious tactics to mislead the international community about the prevailing grim situation in the occupied Kashmir. The APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that on one hand, Modi regime has snatched all basic rights of the people of the occupied territory, while on the other it is attempting to hide its crimes by holding events like the G20 meetings in the territory. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has thanked the G20 countries that boycotted a meeting of the forum hosted by India in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said the purpose of holding a meeting by India in a UN-designated disputed Jammu and Kashmir was to show that the situation in the territory is normal. Pakistan has appreciated China, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Egypt and Oman for not attending the G20 meeting in occupied Kashmir. Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, at a weekly news briefing in Islamabad today, said these countries have stood for international law and for the primacy of the UN Charter. She said that Pakistan had categorically rejected India's move to host the meeting of G20 Tourism Working Group in Srinagar. British parliamentarian Imran Hussain, in a letter to the UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, has said that by agreeing to hold the Tourism Working Group meeting in Srinagar, the G20 nations have disregarded established international laws on the disputed territories and have conferred legitimacy upon New Delhi's brutal and illegal military occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. At least 3 Indian paramilitary personnel were injured in a road accident in Pulwama district. The officials said that a fast-moving truck hit the Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force vehicle standing along the highway at Nambal in Avantipura area of the district. 3 CRPF personnel sustained injuries in the incident. A 45-year-old woman was washed away and her niece was rescued after they fell into Betar Nala during a heavy rain in the Poonch district. Karnataka Minister Priyank Khagre has reiterated that his government would ban Hindutva outfits like Bajrang Dal and RSS if peace of the state is disturbed. Priyank Khagre, talking to reporters in Bengaluru, said, "We have promised to turn Karnataka into a paradise. If the peace is disturbed, we won't even consider if it is Bajrang Dal or the RSS."